Good morning, guys. Actually, welcome back on my YouTube channel. My name is Francesco and I've been traveling around the world for the last 5 years. As you probably know me, I'm a travel vlogger, and today I would like to show you one little secret. I'm actually filming this vlog with an iPhone Pro Max 12. That means that I won't be using my camera, my DSLR, and I will probably just use my drone for giving like a bit of a cinematic look from the top. But just I want you to know that it is possible actually to travel the world just with your iPhone, create content just with your iPhone, and promote your channel just with your iPhone. And this is going to be the vlog where you will see what type of content I could shoot with my iPhone. And one thing, I'm actually using right now a new tool, which is an end stabilizer by Zhiyun, and it's called Smooth Q3. You should definitely check it out. I leave the links in the descriptions because it gives you that kind of smoothness that you cannot have it if you actually just using your hand to film. And also it has a lot of features which makes the filming really easily, even for beginners. It is already lunchtime here in Polignano, so we're going to discover one of the most cool places here in Polignano to have lunch, and also we'll have a little tour around Polignano because it's such a beautiful city, and also today is such a beautiful day, so definitely worth a visit. So we just got actually in say a gourmet restaurant here, and we just got our first starter, which is like prawns, but really special one, so have a look at it. So as you can see, guys, the quality of the iPhone 12 Pro Max, it's incredible. The videos are simply stunning, and also having the Zhiyun Smooth Q3 will help you a lot if you're actually walking around the city. But now it's time to get gelato. Who's looking for gelato? Fabrizio is craving ice cream. This is so fucking good. Special. So it's been a wonderful day. It's nighttime here in Polignano Mare, and we are ready to go to sleep. I hope you guys enjoying this little vlog, and tomorrow I will show you how it's going to be our breakfast, because there's gonna be a surprise. Good morning, guys, and such a beautiful day again today. We actually just got the breakfast delivered to our B&B, and let's check it out together. What is for breakfast? I think it's gonna be really delicious, but look at the view this morning from here. guys, I hope you enjoyed this little vlog, and I hope you can see that you actually don't need a professional DSLR or camera or whatever to start vlogging on YouTube. You just need your phone. An iPhone 12 Pro Max will do the work and will do really great work actually. So if you actually like this vlog, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to leave a thumbs up below, and also if you have any question, there's a comment bar here, just leave the comment and then I will be back to you as soon as possible. See you at the next adventure.